Today I got a gift from my hubby husband. My only one and only one.
What is that?
My husband gave me. Wow! I want it. I think I told only one time. Wait, he got for me this one. Actually, I supposed to get on my birthday, but I got it on.
Yeah, she blew all the surprises that I was trying to build. All the surprises.
I got it on.
From the day one of collecting money till the postman's calling me, everything. It's very hard to give surprise to wives.
I don't know how to say thank also, but I'm so happy. Oh, baby also coming with shoe.
Ah, baby also got shoe. Wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wait, more to. This is my first time. Wow! I think it's hard to review.
Yeah,
This is just.
Remember, I was asking you what color you want.
Yes.
What strip color
But
you
then
might
it's very
like.
long back.
Yeah, I've been planning this since ages.
Yeah,
This is
this
the
is
charging
the
plane.
charger, and I have to put it in here.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm very new to this.
Wow.
Very happy with the lots of pimple. And can I show up? Okay. Moy tap. Take picture. Okay. Go to the salon with sumo. You go, darling.
Take this. Get this one.
Well, is it done? Okay, anyway, thank you.
We'll show you later some more. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye bye, baby. Bye bye.
These are very soft. That things are very soft.